Welcome to this video where we will be discussing the best way to make money with Chat GPT online. As you may already know, Chat GPT is a powerful language model that can generate human-like responses to various queries. However, did you know that you can also use Chat GPT to create blog posts that can generate income? In this video, we will explore how you can use Chat GPT to start a blog and make money online. Step 1. Find a profitable niche. The first step in making money with Chat GPT is to find a profitable niche. A niche is a specific topic that you will write about on your blog. For example, you could start a blog about health and wellness, personal finance, or cooking. It's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and one that has a high demand. Step 2. Use Chat GPT. Once you have identified your niche, you can use Chat GPT to generate content ideas. Simply input a topic related to your niche into Chat GPT, and it will generate a list of ideas that you can use as inspiration for your blog posts. Step 3. Write your blog posts. Now that you have your content ideas, it's time to start writing your blog posts. You can use Chat GPT to help you with this process by generating outlines or even entire blog posts. While Chat GPT can provide helpful suggestions, it's important to remember to add your own unique perspective and voice to your writing. Step 4. Optimize your blog for search engines. Once you have written your blog posts, it's important to optimize them for search engines. This means using keywords related to your niche in your titles, headings, and throughout your blog posts. This will help your blog rank higher in search engine results and attract more visitors. Step 5. Monetize your blog. Finally, it's time to monetize your blog. There are several ways you can do this, including displaying ads, selling affiliate products, or even creating your own digital products such as ebooks or courses. It's important to choose monetization methods that are relevant to your niche and that will provide value to your readers. In conclusion, using Chat GPT to start a blog is a great way to make money online. By finding a profitable niche, using Chat GPT to generate content ideas, writing your blog posts, optimizing your blog for search engines, and monetizing your blog, you can create a successful online business. So what are you waiting for? Start using Chat GPT to create your own profitable blog today.